How would you like to live in a house with a great view of the last remaining historical bungalow in Punggol?
Welcome to Punggol Emerald, one of the youngest clusters of HDBs that just achieved 5 years old.
And today, we'll bring you the best unit with a premium view from the living room and all the bedrooms.
The layout is gorgeous with abundant space for kicking back your heels after a long day of work. The kitchen is a queen size, practical for a young family. The best part about this house is that there's barely any built-in, so it is perfect for you to redesign and recreate into your dream home. The owner has created built-in wardrobes in every bedroom with beautiful sliding doors. We simply love gazing at architecture and reminiscing about the beauty of old buildings while sitting in a modern Scandinavian design home. To make this beautiful home your own,
Call us today for an exclusive viewing.